Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be going over the body metrics and the workout metrics. First, navigating to the body metrics, you want to click on a client's name and go to the metrics tab. Here with the body metrics, you can assign all different types of metrics to your clients, and you can also group metrics together. So for example here, I have everyday metrics, so if you have metrics you want to track with each client every single day, you can have them all display on one screen. Or you can have something like mood metrics, where you can track certain things that might affect this client's mood, and again, see everything all on one screen. Another cool feature we added was comparing metrics together. So for example here, if I'm on my sleep, you can go here and compare with another metric. So you can see exactly how mood is affected by their sleep, again, comparing them on that same screen. And with the exercise metrics, every time your client completes a workout, their exercises will save. So you can go back in time and see their progress from the first time they completed it versus the most recent. You can manually set 1 rep maxes, and you can also see a graph to track their progress over a visual standpoint as well. Thank you all for watching. I hope this is helpful.